There is the Trump train. Time traveling Trump train.
Almost like,
Morning, ride it, choo-choo. Ride the train, ride the Trump train. And ride it, choo-choo. Trump train. Ride the Trump train. Choo-choo. Yeah, the Trump train. Choo-choo. Come on, ride the train, the Trump train. Choo-choo. Trump train goes forever. Trump train. Woo. Trump train. $7 mega hats. $7 hats. The last Trump train in Vegas. This is the last Trump train in Vegas. Come on, ride the train. The Trump train. Choo choo. Ride the train in the Trump train. Yeah. Wow, this really. See, I didn't know this. I didn't know they say Trump train in this new version. I was seeing the old 90s song running by, and then they started playing this. I thought I came up with this version. Wow. This is the song I was trying to see, but I didn't know there's this version of it. You actually say Trump train. Alright, listen, it's the Trump train. He'll be back. Gonna be a liberal for Halloween, but my head wound. Oh man, oh shoot, in the video. Kim Jong-un just like that.
Trump! She says, I want to end Obamacare, affordable health, okay? No, I never said that. I fixed it and made it good, but it still stinks, okay? If we got something better, I would do it. If it was less expensive, it's too expensive and it's not a very good form of health care. But if we got something better, I'd do it. But I never said we'd end it. She said, he wants to legally end it. She talks about Project 2025 all the time. I have nothing to do with it. I've said it every way possible. I even said to a very good lawyer, am I allowed to sue them for continuously? We put it in writing, we said, and the lawyer said, well, sir, you're running a campaign, you get a lot of liars in campaigns. But she said that, I want to ban IVF, it's fertilization. That's a lie, you better believe it. You will never let our country be destroyed. The reason Kamala's campaign has been reduced to this desperate, pathetic stream of hoaxes and lies is simple. The entire world can see she's a train wreck who is totally unqualified to be the president of the United States. There are some people who thrive under pressure, and there are some people who crack under pressure. And the more pressure Kamala is under, the more pressure she unravels. You know, people didn't know her. She's only had a few months because she had that little honeymoon period she was introduced and she got on stage and she went, thank you, 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 thank you. She's like 50 times thank you. I said, what the hell is wrong with her? But the press never picked that up. If I did that, it would be over. Remember that? We wrote about her. She had that little honeymoon period. I really figured that these guys were right. Wayne, you were right about honeymoon. You said it was your last 6 weeks and you were right. Probably, I think, to the day. I'm very impressed with you, Wayne. Kamala vowed to abolish ICE. She pledged to confiscate your guns and endorsed a total ban on handgun ownership. Would anybody like to give up their gun tonight, please? She even called for free sex changes for illegal aliens in detention. All anti-taxpayers, when you think of it, this is where she is. This is our whole life until about a year ago. Raise your wages and bring thousands of factories back to America and back to Nevada. We will build American, we will buy American, and we will hire American. I will end the war in Ukraine. It would have never started if I was president. I will also stop the chaos in the Middle East. October 7th would have never happened. And all of those people would be living happily today. And I will prevent World War III from happening. I will crush violent crime and give our police the support, protection, resources, and respect that they so dearly deserve. We will strengthen and modernize our military. We will build a missile defense shield over our country. It's going to open will include Nevada. We will rebuild our cities, including our capital in Washington, D.C., making them safe, clean, and beautiful again. We will teach our children to love our country, to honor our history, and to always respect our great American flag. We will embrace it.
Big fan. Forgiato Blow. He is a tremendous guy. Trump legend.
Trump train. Woo. Suburban legend. Big 4-5. Trump 2020, cut that up, Sneed.
I'ma ride a train and ride it. 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 It's a Trump train. I'ma ride a train and ride it. It's a Trump train. I'ma ride a train and ride it. It's a Trump train. I'ma ride a train and ride it. It's a Trump train. MAGA boy, I'm back at it. Trump train, this beat slapping 45, that's all day. Rapping Trump the long way. Out the drain, the swamp now. It's gonna be a landslide. Money making Republicans.
Yeah, we